this video, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching negative space text effect in Canva. Open Canva, create a new project. To start, pick a background color that contrasts well with white. Go to the Text tab and add a heading. Customize the text and make the text white. Now, duplicate your text box multiple times. Keep just one unique character in each copy. Position them to reconstruct your original word. Make the first, third, and fifth letters black. Go to the position, use the layer panel to organize them as words order. Overlap the letters slightly for visual interest. Add rectangular shapes from the Elements menu. Make sure the shape color is black. Place the shape behind specific letters to create the negative space illusion. Finally, change your background color to white to complete the effect. Your professional negative space text design is now ready. For more design techniques like this, remember to subscribe to this channel.